What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a price prediction and especially a price analysis on the Bounce token. Ticker is named auction. That's because the cryptocurrency is based around online auctions. This coin was listed on Coinbase, so it's a new Coinbase listing. It was listed on the 21st of October, I believe, which is visible by this very big candle right here. But we are looking at the 4-hour time frame of auction against USD on Binance. It was listed on Binance earlier, just because then we have some more price information, some more things we can base the analysis of. And to be honest, the price on Binance and Coinbase is pretty much the same. Some wicks may differ, but still I think the analysis I have prepared for you would be the same. So I like doing analyses and predictions on coins that are newly listed on Coinbase, just because they tend to move up a little at least, so a little bit more than where they used to be. And that's also why I think this is interesting, because as you could see here, this candle was very big. It went up to 64, up from 33, so almost 100% gain. But right now the price is at around 40. And that's actually a level it was at when it only was on Binance and some other minor exchanges. It was at that price too. So to be honest, there's still some upwards potential for this token. And to be honest, I think the price can go a little bit lower. It could also go up from here, but I think the next real support would be around 33, really 34.4 up until the 33.3. There's a 200 EMA there, strong key level, Fibonacci also. I think that's just a very strong area. The price could drop down a little bit lower, so maybe 30 psychological key level. So if you really don't suffer from FOMO, I'd wait for the 30 level. I think that could be a very nice entry. And from either one of those places, either one of those supports, I think price will go up and that an uptrend will follow. How long that uptrend will be, I'm not quite sure, but first I think it will find some resistance again at 42 or 43. Around that, maybe find a break retest on 38.75, possibly even 37.75, 37.6. And from there on out, maybe find some resistance at the 50 psychological key level, maybe even a little bit below it, but it could also break straight through and gain a break retest on that 50 level. In my opinion, that'd be a good trade as well, but you should always remember that this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion and a technical analysis. And when price has broken through this major resistance area, so that's 47 up until 49 or up until 50, basically, I think the next real resistance would be around 62.50. Could even be a little bit lower at 59, but to be honest, I think this trend line will be the major resistance then, and that trend line will probably be around 62.75. And when prices reaches that area, which might take a couple of days, possibly even like something like 2 weeks, I'd set this price target for. And from there, the price could do one of two things. The price could go into consolidation, which it did in the last couple of weeks on Binance, but it would just be a consolidation a little bit higher, accumulation as well before the next move up, probably, because the fundamentals of this coin seem promising, and coins on Coinbase always get a lot of exposure. But the price could also go straight through, finding first resistance at 70. So if it goes through the 72.5, the real or the next resistance will probably be at 70, and ultimately, but that will probably take several weeks, I think the next real resistance would be at 80 or to 85, somewhere there. This Fibonacci seems quite strong, so I drew the arrow up until that area, but that would be a nice price target for like long term. But from where it is right now, it might retrace, as I said, a little bit up until this 34 level or up until the 30 psychological key level. But from there, it will definitely go into an uptrend, I think, to the 62.5 level. And from there, it will either go into a consolidation, accumulation for a couple of days, maybe maybe weeks. I don't suppose it will be that long, or it goes straight through. It really depends on the hype around this coin and the price action before that. Yeah, I think I've said everything there is to say about this price prediction and price analysis on the Bounce token. If you have any questions about this analysis or prediction, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!